Okay, Mustafa, in order to import in rxnorm from this dump, I'm going to show you. You're going to need to go to your MySQL workbench, and you'll go to database right here. Actually, not database. You're going to go to server, and then you're going to do data import right here. And then you're going to find the folder that you unzipped the files to, of the backup that I gave you or the dump that I gave you. And you're gonna just make sure that you designate that folder, okay? And then it's going to be import from the first selection, import from the dump project folder, okay? So make sure you have it all in one folder, and you're going to point it to that. And once you actually finish specifying the folder, then you're going to go ahead and start the the import process. You'll need to specify the target schema, which is rxnorm. Okay, so in your case, you already created it, but if it isn't there, you can just click new, say rxnorm, and then it'll let you begin the import. So that your interface in an Apple may look a little bit different. Your buttons may be in a different area, but it should look very similar. So I'll show you how I'm going to do it. I'm going to click on here. I'm going to select my folder where I put the file. It's going to be under dumps, and I put a dump. You'll have the same folder name as this probably. And now that I selected um, my folder of what I want to, where I want to import it in, I'm going to import it into a schema called rxnorm. Since I already have that, I'm just going to make up rxnorm2. Okay, there we go. And so I have a new rxnorm2. It's already selected. So I have now the table that I want selected. And so now I can actually begin the import process. I won't do that right now because if I do, I'll overwrite my data, but you should be able to do that pretty easily. If the button is hidden, you may need to stretch this window down a little bit because it will say start import in the bottom right. Okay, and that is it. Thank you.